Welcome to Playa Balerma. Oh, you guys, I am so excited to share this hidden gem with you. Before we dive into all the amazing details, be sure to scan the QR code on the screen right now so you can easily access their website and maybe even book your own stay. Seriously, don't miss out. Okay, so picture this. You're in El Ejido, Spain, soaking up the sun and the incredible coastal vibes. And where do you stay? Playa Balerma, of course. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel welcomed and relaxed. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in before you kick back and enjoy your vacation. And then you have until 10:30 the next day to check out, giving you a relaxed exit. This hotel is family-friendly, too, so everyone can enjoy this lovely location, although do bear in mind that charges may apply for children, so plan accordingly. But here's what really makes Playa Balerma special. It's all about the experience. They have this amazing bar where you can just unwind after a long day of exploring or chilling on the beach. Imagine sipping on a perfectly made cocktail or enjoying a glass of local wine. They've got a fantastic selection, which means there's something for everyone. The staff is super friendly and the whole vibe? Super chill. You can hang out there indoors, in the stylish surroundings, or step outside and soak up the sunshine. Plus, they've got a super convenient 24-hour front desk to handle any questions you might have and free parking. How good is that? Seriously, Playa Balerma ticks all the boxes, and the best bit is, everything is designed to make your stay as memorable as possible. So, are you ready to book your escape to Playa Balerma? You totally should. Head over to their website. You won't regret it. I'll catch you in my next video. Happy travels!